Exercise 1.2 says we should write the following in the expanded form. This is the opposite of what I gave you at the last class, where you were given in expanded form and you were asked to write it in index form. So, writing the following in expanded form, A, 3 to the power 5 can be written as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. B, 8 to the power 6 can be written as 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. That is 8 multiplying itself 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, this is equal to 12 multiplying itself 8 times. That is 12 times 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. D, we have 13 to the power 5. 13 to the power 5 can be said to be 13 multiplying itself 5 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. E, 21 to the power 9 can be said to be 21 multiplying itself 9 times. Good. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, the higher you go, the tougher it becomes. F minus 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 simply means minus 1 over 3 multiplying itself 4 times. The rule still remains the same. Okay? So this is equal to minus 1 over 3, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is what you will get. G, we have minus 5 raised to the power 3. This is equal to minus 5, 1, 2, and 3. H, 3 squared x raised to the power 6. This can be simplified as 3 times 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 multiplying itself 2 times and x multiplying itself 6 times. I, this is equal to x cubed, y 4, and 2 to the power 5. So you are going to multiply x 3 times, y 4 times, and 2 5 times. So this is going to be x times x times x times y times y times y times y times 2 times 2. So this is what you will get. J minus 1.4 cube. This is equal to minus 1.4 times minus 1.4 times minus 1.4, which is minus 1.4 cube. This is equal to, we have minus 4ab squared c. You observe that you only have b multiplying itself 2 times. So others will be just once. So this is going to be minus 4 times a times b times b times c. L, 2 cubed times 3 squared. This is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So this is what you get. M, half raised to the power 6, meaning half multiplying itself 6 times. This gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I will leave N and O for you to solve. So kindly do what I have done. It's just a repetition. 11 h raised to power 4, k to power 5, and O says u to power 4, v to power 3. So let me see what you get at the comment section. Kindly like my video as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You are also recommended to share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from the same class. We shall now take exercise 1.3.